Ito na, ito, Paolo and Kim, you're perfect match. Talagang ganda naman ng match, match. Love you both.
Wow. Tsaka meron tayong, Paolo, don't lang eh, marry me.
Don't lang eh.
No.
Ano yung third? Ano yung third? The one...
Maraming ang nalungkot kung saan ay maraming nag-post sa social media na nilangaw daw umano ang event ni Paolo Avellino, with Maymay Entrata, kung saan nga ay mapapatunayan sa video na ito na hindi naman totoo, makikita sa mga performance ni Pao na kahit hindi sila magkasama ni Kimi ay full ang suporta ng mga tagahanga ng Kim Pao, at marami pa tayong aabangan sa kanila. Narito ang buong performance ni Paolo Avellino, na tulad kay Kimi sa Cebu event ay dumagsa din ang mga taga-suporta ng Kim Pao sa Florida, USA.
Ito sa akin dito, thank you.
Tsaka 15 years tayo pa sa
Ako, eto na.
USA. Yeah.
Ito na mga fansign natin. Ito na. Ang dami, meron pa?
So si Paolo ay...
Okay, ayan, ito na, ito, Paolo and Kim, you're perfect match. Talagang ganda naman ng match. Love you both.
Wow. Tsaka meron tayong, Paolo, don't lang eh, marry me.
Don't lang eh.
No.
Ano yung third? Ano yung third? The one and only Mr. Right?
Right. Sing to me, please.
Ano, one line ba gusto mo?
Tapos na siya kumanta. Ayoko, may bayad.
Hindi ako magaling mag-acapella eh.
Saka yung isa pa.
Kung wala, then we'll move to the next one.
I love you, Paolo.
We'll move to the next one.
I love you, Paolo. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po.
Paolo,
Parang napapansin ko, naglalakihan yung mga jamade ng mga taga-Florida. Paolo, age is just a number. How young are you?
16.
Paolo, age.
Bakit sumali?
Oh, baka hindi pa ako umabot sa Pilipinas.
Wow.
I'm kidding. Hello, age is your number.
Next one.
Yeah. I'm yours, SIO.
Anong SIO?
Show? What's show? I should hear my pao. Oh, sorry, slow.
And your show, and you're my pao. Show pao.
You po yung spelling ng pangalan ko eh.
We love you, my Paolo Avellino.
Oo. Pangarap ko rin kumanda ng Daytona kasi dyan yung mga nag-rally cars, di ba? May track.
Yup.
So, can I read this? Sorry. We love you, my Paolo Avellino. Thank you. Did you make this? Here, Anthony. Oh, okay. Alright. Do you have your phone with you? You want to get pictures? No? Okay. Are you nervous? That's okay.
Ito namang isa, napakaganda ng handwriting.
Hello.
Ang ganda ng handwriting.
Thank you for visiting the Sunshine State. Sunshine State pala, ang tawag sa Florida.
Thank you.
Did you make this for me?
Yes, you could get that message someone. But this one is the little one. You're about bigger one.
Thank you. Do you have your phone with you? You want to take pictures? You good? Okay, maybe a fist bump. All right.
There you go. We got the last one. Last one.
Hello.
Welcome to Orlando.
Oh, mother-daughter. Oh, she's your daughter. And you both made an art card? Wow.
Mother and daughter.
Welcome to Orlando. Thank you. Wow, where'd you get the stickers, ma'am? Just here? The stickers? Wow, thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you very much. So, Pao, we only have to pick one person for the fan
pipiliin na si Paolo
gusto mong
ng isa.
i-serenade on.
Isa lang ang pipiliin ni
Isa
Paolo.
lang.
Ako ang pipiliin ni Paolo.
Isa lang. Gusto mo ba magsimula ulit ng pagtingin?
Sige po. Pwede pong makita.
Okay, Pao. Nakapili ka na ba, Pao?
Sige po, nagagalit po sa akin po. Baka magalit po sa akin si nanay pag
Okay. Alright, everyone. Please exit, everyone.
Mabuti yung kay nanay.
Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Thank you, Lola. One more time. Here is Paolo Avellino, the winner of the fan sign.
Medyo intense po itong kanta ko. Kiss ko na lang po kayo. Napasarin ko po kayo.
Kapag tayo.
Malakas pa tuhod din nanay. Thank you po, nanay. Salamat po. Hindi pa, itong last song ko, nireserve ko po talaga ito para makababa ako dyan sa stage. Makaabot man lang sa likod. Okay, music please. Yakap sa dilim, okay sarap ng nawala. Bago tayo magkayakap sa dilim. I'm sure, yun ako na yung mga nasa likod because I'm sure everyone here in front will have photo ops later with me and my mind. But kung nasa harap ko kayo, I'm sure may photo ops pa tayo later with me and my mind. Sa mamaya na lang po tayo. So,
Alright. Anong kaguluhan ko? Bakit ang gulo-gulo? Bakit ang gulo-gulo? Okay ka lang ba, baby?
nice. Nice.
Saan si Maymay? Maymay!
Tama na natin si Maymay kasi meron tayong idol na.
Meron tayong vote.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa kagwapuhan?
You touch my lips. Lahat ng jawan. Wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in episode. Parang madaling, parang ayaw matanggal. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a place to you. Now you came.
I love my boyfriend.
It's like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chills inside. Your love is like the sun. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. At congratulations sa ating winners and sa ating runners-up. And also everyone who joined, congratulations. I think I saw most of you yesterday. Iba pala pag nasa stage. Parang times 10 yung ganda. Sige po, ma'am.